with my team member Namit. We are here to give a presentation on one of the most important topic, that is lathe machine. What is lathe machine and what are its terminology, we will see in the presentation. Before starting of the presentation, I would like to give thanks to sir who gave this opportunity to us. So in this presentation, we will understand what is the lathe machine, what are its components. So what are its components, various types of operation that we can do by using lathe machine. And what is CNC lathe machine? What are its advantages over standard lathe machine? And what are the codes of CNC lathe machine? And in the last, we have conclusion. So before the starting of this presentation, we should know the meaning of lathe machine. So what is lathe machine? So it is one of the most important machines that is used to remove or cut a material of wood or metal by using a cutting tool. So metal cutting operation, we can perform a lot of operations by using this lathe machine. So we can do facing, chamfering, grooving, knurling, a lot of operations we can do by using this lathe machine. So we can see what are the types of machine, lathe machine. What are the types of lathe machine? Engine lathe, speed lathe, torrent lathe, Jasper lathe, and in the last we have CNC lathe.
स्क्रीन रेनबो शो हो रही है.
So now, what is engine lathe? So this is the most commonly used general purpose lathe used in engineering workshops.
EDM.
So this is the figure of lathe machine. So now we can see that these are the legs of lathe machine. This is the crane, and above this there is a bed. Bed is one of the most important component of the lathe machine, in which majority of the components are mounted on it. And above the bed we have seen cross slide, bed base. There are two stocks, head stock and tail stock. And head stock is known as the live bed of the lathe machine. So why it is called? Because there is a spindle and there is a chuck which is connected in spindle, and spindle is connected to head stock, and this is called the head stock. And because of this, the material is rotating. That's why it is called live head stock. And the tail stock is called dead stock. Why it is called? Because it is only stationary. It is stationary but not moving with the object. So it is called dead stock. Now coming ahead, we have. So now we will understand some of the technical terms that is in the lathe machine. First we will have bed. So what is bed? Bed is one of the main important component in the lathe machine, in which all the machine parts are mounted. So you can see the lathe, you can see the bed of the lathe machine. Next. So we have head stock. So head stock is mounted on the left hand side of the lathe machine, and it is called the live stock, live center. Next. So tail stock. There is a head stock in the left and there is a tail stock in the right. So in the head stock there are gears, spindle and chuck. Chuck is two types like 3-way chuck, 2-way chuck, etc. And tail stock is just mounted on the right of the lathe machine, and it is called head center. So the tail stock moves on the guide rails over the bed to accommodate for different length of working. Next. So next we do have carriage. Carriage is mounted on the lathe bed, which slides on the guide rail of the bed. So the carriage has several components like cross slide, compound press, and tool post. So now we have saddle. So saddle is one of the other part of the lathe machine, and it is mounted on the bed and it slides along the way. So the cross slide and tool post are mounted on the saddle, and it is also got the wheel. Now we have cross slide. So cross slide is also mounted on the bed, and it is one of the most important tools that we have in the lathe machine. So the cross slide can be moved either by rotating the cross slide and the wheel. and the perpendicular distance moved by the crossline is proportional to the amount of metal removed, and it is known as the depth of cut.
हर कंपोनेंट का
Compound slide is also mounted on the top of the crossline, and it is used to obtain taper on the workpiece. So tool post. Tool post is another tool of the lathe machine that holds the tool rigidly. Free diagram that we can see is used to move the carriage or cross line for turning, boring, and pitching operation. Lead screw is also a long three-phase shaft connected to the headstock. For normal turning operations, the lead screw is disengaged. So these are the operations that we can perform on the lathe machine, like basic, straight turning. Turning are many types, like straight turning, taper turning, or straight turning. Next we have chamfering. Next we have knurling. Knurling is basically used for gripping. Next, grooving and parting off. Drilling. Drilling makes a hole on the workpiece. Boring, taper turning, and last we have thread cutting.
तो ये प्रेजेंटेशन ना प्रिसाइज और ब्रीफ नहीं होती है, इनकी प्रेजेंटेशन एक्सप्लेनेटरी बहुत होती है कुछ ज़्यादा ही।
So some it is used to remove some of the material and the metal from the edge of the workpiece to produce a blank surface.
तू तो पक्का कर दिया था, तूने मुझसे पूछी?
The mean of turning
पूछी तूने मुझसे एक बार भी?
from the outer diameter of a rotating cylindrical workpiece. So it is reducing the diameter of the workpiece usually to achieve a specified dimension. Now chamfering, what is chamfering? It is a process of creating a slope at the end of the workpiece. So this process is carried out for removing the unwanted metal and burrs after turning operation. So knurling. So as I told that knurling is a very useful operation. Like in the gym we have seen a rod that is crossed in this. So knurling is basically is used to make grip, better grip.
आगे ना किसी बच्चे को
So parting is another operation of lathe machine. That is operation of cutting a workpiece after it has been finished with the design. We have seen that thread cutting. Thread cutting is the operation of producing helical groove on a cylindrical surface. Next. So we can see the thread cutting. Like the longitudinal lead should be equal to the pitch of the thread to be cut for evolution of the work. So now we will understand what is the specification of a lathe machine. Like what are it, how can we like see what is the character or specification of lathe machine? Like we should know the length of the bed, the distance between the centers, the swing diameter of work over bed, the swing diameter of work over the carriage, power input of the lathe machine, lead screw details, number of spindle speeds, and width of web. So now we will watch a video to proper understanding of lathe machine, construction and details. So these are the bed of lathe machine, the leg of the lathe machine. This is the tray, like chips tray, the wastage that will come under the lathe machine, and it is used to hold the wastage of chips. So this is bed. Bed is
English
one of the
की
most
PPT
important
थोड़ी।
component of lathe machine, in which all the components are mounted on it. So there is a speed box and lead screw. There is a feed rod. Now there are two stock, like head stock is on the left hand side of the lathe machine, and in the head stock there is a spindle and there is a chuck which is used to move the workpiece. There is a chuck, and chuck is like 3-way chuck, 2-way chuck, and it is called live center because the reason I have
स्टार्ट में करिए तो कितनी बड़ी है PPT?
So now we will see the practical, like what we are doing in the mechanical lab. So now we are performing operations like bracing, taper turning, plane turning, knurling, grooving, chamfering, etc. Now Namit will explain you what is CNC and what are its advantages based on.
So good afternoon everyone. My name is Naveen and I am here to discuss about the CNC lathe machine. Firstly, we discuss about the introduction of the CNC machine. So all you are know about the CNC lathe machine because one lab is conducted on the CNC lathe machine. But I am here to tell about more information of CNC lathe machine. What is the purpose of CNC lathe machine when we work on the manual lathe machine? So manual lathe machine requires a skilled worker or a very time consuming process on a manual lathe machine. But on a CNC lathe machine there is a no required of the skilled worker because there is a work on a code.
रसूल
That's name is
उधर
G
पकड़
code.
ले यार ऐसे
When we make a code on a
Mobile
laptop
पकड़ ले।
or copy in a pen drive and paste on the CNC
तुम भी पकड़ ले यार बहुत
monitor,
टाइम हो गया
then we make its own code and make the all operations like a facing and all operations of the lathe machine. So means of CNC lathe machine, CNC, computer numerical control. So when we are make a code on a computer, that term comes computer. Next is numerical. So numerical is a term of code. When we write a code, G code on our laptop, that's term come out numerical. And next is control. So when we put that code on the CNC lathe machine, then it's work on its code. So the term of control come out from that side. So CNC, control numerical, computer numerical control. Why use CNC machine? So CNC machine make to a complex part of a machine by its turning facing process. We can use the workpiece as a wood, aluminum, steel or plastic maybe. CNC lathe machine is very efficient because like a 3D printing that is represent the Krishna Bhagwat 3D printing machine. 3D printing machine is a very time laying process, but in a CNC lathe machine it is a very fast process. When we make a part in 3D machine, it's maybe 3 and 4 hours to print the part. But in CNC lathe machine, it is completed work in a 10 or 15 minutes. Next is part of the CNC machine. Next is part of the CNC machine. There is a main part of the CNC machine. First is electric cabinet.
मैं तो
So
समझ ही नहीं पाया
in
क्या
this,
बात की
all the wires connection are come out from the electric cable. Like it's supplied to monitor or control panel or hydraulic or electric AC motor. Next is safety window. In a manual lathe machine, there was not a safety windows because when the chip come out the workpiece, so it
भाई मैं
injured
सबसे
the
पूछूंगा तो experience है।
worker. But in the CNC lathe machine, there is a safety window which is made by steel sheet and a hole in a plate. We can see the how the chuck or workpiece cut. Next is headstock. Headstock contains the gears. When the power supply by the AC motor on the gears and gear supply that power on the chuck. Chuck is the main part of the main item of this CNC lathe machine because it is a one and only part which is revolved and workpiece on the mount on the chuck. Chuck is revolved and cut the workpiece. There is a many type of chuck like 3-jaw chuck, 4-jaw chuck and a 6-jaw chuck. What is a jaw? Jaw is a mechanical assembly on the chuck which is hold the workpiece and we can easily contain the all operations on the workpiece. Next is tool turret or a tool post on a CNC machine. Also a automatic tool post which has a 4 or 5 sides which can contain 4 or 5 tools on the tool post. Next is cover. cover is in CNC lathe machine we are covered with a steel or a iron plate hold the surface. Next is monitor. Monitor is display how our workpiece cut and operation doing on the workpiece. Next is tail stop. On the tail stop, it is a work to hold a workpiece, to hold the center of the workpiece. We can use this as a driller or many types of tools are used in tail stop. Next is CNC work panel. This is a work panel. Work panel is used to input the G code because when we put is the code on the control panel is used to make a input on the CNC machine. Frame is the leg of the manual lathe machine. On the frame, we set up full of CNC lathe machine. Next is that chuck. Hydraulic is used to control the full CNC lathe machine automatic. Like the chuck, our chuck is controlled by the hydraulics and the coding of the code. Next slide. Next is control panel of the CNC machine. This is a control panel. This is a switch, and this is a command. This is a key command where we input the code or we give the command by the pen. Working of the control panel. Here is a workpiece which is cut, and he is displaying full of the monitor. In the CNC lathe machine, our workpiece is cutting, and there is a model which is which of the what operation will be performed on our workpiece. Here our operation will conducted on the CNC machine. Our rod is cutting by the cutting tool. Here is our CNC lathe machine in our lab. Here is a control panel which is controlled by sub. This is a tool post, and this is a chuck, and this is a workpiece. Next slide.
बंद करो.
Safety precautions. Because CNC machine was an automatic machine which are not see what is a work. It is a work on the code. So it is not see what are you doing. When we performing a CNC lathe machine performing the operation on workpiece, and we want to stop it by our hands, so we injured the human. So this is want to make a
कुछ तो कहना चाह रहे हो हम.
Next slide. Advantage. A single CNC machine is used to 24 hours a day on a full of year without rest, or a small time of the rest. Next is CNC lathe machine. A single code will perform 100 or thousands of product by single code. Next is CNC lathe machine is also operation like cutting, finishing, milling, which is not required the skill engineer. Disadvantage of the CNC machine. CNC lathe machine is a very costly machine which is not about every industry.
अरे यार तुम सबको आपस में जानते हैं इसकी भी. Let's go.
We require
Conclusion.
to our skill engineer to make a code for performing the operation.